Hey beauties, welcome back to Wendy's World. Now in this video, I'm going to make it really short and sweet because I am just going to review this product. It's Amaterasu eyeliner, and it is a pencil eyeliner that I purchased online off of Facebook, so you might have noticed this as well. And I was curious because it says that it does not smudge and it is waterproof. Smudge? Did I say smudge or spudge? Smudge, and it's waterproof. Now, if you are like me and you're a little oily around and under the eyes, you find that at the end of the day, our eyeliner smudges and it looks horrible. So as you can see, I applied the eyeliner already. I did it in fact at about 10 a.m. this morning, and I went the entire day, and it is now 7:30 p.m. So that is 9.5 hours I have actually been wearing it, and you can see it's pretty good. It's not bad, right? It has hardly smudged at all. Now what I'm going to do for you is I am going to take the product off, and then I'm going to reapply it, and I'm going to tell you my honest opinion about it. So the color that I chose is the Nutmeg, and I'm going to tell you why. Even though I have naturally black hair, I am Asian, I decided that I do like a little bit lighter brown, or a darker brown, lighter black, in other words. And the reason is because I just find black is just a little too intense under the eyes. Sometimes I wear eyeliner under the eye and sometimes I don't, and the reason being is I don't like all the smudging, to be honest. But let's see how this product works. So here you have it. I am going to remove my makeup under the eyes, and I'll try not to open my... It's so funny when we do this, we open our mouths. I'll try to not do that. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit more so that I have a naked eye, or at least a naked under eye area. Okay, so this gorgeous Asian woman created this eyeliner, I do believe, and it is a pencil. Here you go. And you can see it has a tip here that does not require you to use a sharpener, so it's retractable. Now let's just see what it looks like on my hand. There you go. And it doesn't smudge. So let's try it out. So hard to apply on the camera. Okay, it's pretty smooth. I understand it's fairly delicate, so to be really careful when applying and not to break it. There you go. Now, looks pretty good, don't you think? Okay. Now, I'm gonna see how it is with smudging. It's pretty good. It's a good product, you guys, and I can honestly say that because, again, I've had it on my eyes for a very long time, from 10 a.m. to 7:30 p.m., and that is 9.5 hours. 9.5 hours. And yeah, if you want, go and purchase this product. The one that I got was the pencil eyeliner, and the color that I got was Nutmeg. Thank you so much for joining me on Wendy's World, and I'll see you next time on my next tutorial. Bye.